I bet you would never believe that this is China. After 4 years of living in China, I've had a chance to see a lot of the country's iconic sites, but I'm always on the lookout for something new and different. So when my friend Melissa found a Havana-themed hotel on the coast of southern China, we knew we had to check it out. I booked myself a flight from Shanghai to Shenzhen, and after an hour-long Didi ride along the coast, we made our way to the city of Dapeng, China. Welcome to the Havana of China. We've just arrived to our hotel and it is absolutely stunning. We're right on the water. We have a beautiful balcony here and the sun is just about to set. Just under 24 hours to spend here, so we enjoyed our evening with a lovely walk along the beach, a dinner, and an early night's rest so that we could wake up and watch the sunrise. After watching the sunrise, we stepped outside to see the ambiance that this hotel had to offer, and it really did feel like we stepped right into the city of Havana. We're just doing our mini photo shoot. We found these really cute vintage cars. Next, we had just a few hours left on our trip, so we made our way to the other side of the coast to see some colorful buildings and beautiful restaurants.
Yeah.
It does look like Greece, huh?
Yeah.
We do this one? Oh, this is so cool. Our day just kept getting better and better. We had the most delicious lunch in a tent on top of a building, and then when we put my drone up, we found the coolest pink hotel to go eat dinner at for the evening. Just like that, our 24 hours in Dapeng were over, but luckily this is just one of so many hidden gems I've found across China and around the world. I hope you loved coming along for the adventure. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.